Hello everyone, this is Ajay Lakontla. I am from Webster University and here I am presenting you all 5 essential marketing analytics techniques every marketer should master if he is coming from a business analytics, and there is a course called marketing analytics everyone must and should pursue. In that I'm going to present you all here today: descriptive analytics, predictive analytics, customer segmentation, market basket analysis, and sentiment analysis. The raw data can be understood in a way that uh, how useful it gonna be, like using Power BI, not only Power BI, like Tableau. We can just estimate and segregate the data which is useful, and then we just convert those data to the visualization in Power BI or in a Tableau, like finding the total revenue of a product and year over year growth and top performing products in it. Not only that, the descriptive analytics shows a purpose, like summarizing historical data, identifying patterns, trends, and outliers. One of my last class presentation, key steps are gathering data, like collection of data, and cleaning and transformation, and data modeling, and data visualizing, and then dashboard and reporting to our product manager, or it could be to our customer relationship manager, or it could be to our regional manager. Just get data, clicking on the get data and choosing what type of data we have now. And I have some Excel workbook sheet. I'm just connecting it as I already selected my data, so I'm just canceling it. So after importing the data, you need to transform the data. So here in the transformation, we just remove the duplicates and handling missing values, uh, and also using a delimiter we could also separate some one column to two or three columns. Here are the steps what we have applied. So I just removed the duplicates and split it column by delimiter. Removing the text is nothing but the space before or after the text. It will be the removing the text. Here I am presenting you all product manager, customer relationship manager, and regional manager and their reports. I have showed product managers summarizing the total donations by unique donors in the first visual, and in the second visual average total donations by unique donors, and in the third visual I just summarize the total donations by yearly, quarterly, and monthly, which is also included the time period and how the range is sum of total donations by state, which state has a higher donations. So here if we see California, New York, and Texas are the most higher than other states. And here sum of total donations. And in the customer relationship manager I have showed the sum of total donations by their first name. And here I just divided using the donut visual. I have added one of the KPI. This is called KPI card. So here it is showing 52 donations in the customer relationship manager by state. The even customer relationship manager should know the donations by state. Whereas in regional manager, it showed one KPI as a visual and sum of total donations by state by using donut visual here, and KPI card count of cities, and here one of the KPI card and sum of total donations by gender, and what we have showed in the customer relationship manager should regional Azure map here. Uh, to show the geographical area of the donors. Predictive analytics is used to forecast future outcomes based on historical data. The main purpose is to organize, make proactive decisions instead of reacting ones. In other words, it allows us to prepare for what's likely to happen rather than just analyzing what already happened. One of the key tools of predictive analytics is Excel. especially through regression analysis. Regression helps us find relationships between variables. For example, how changes in advertising spend, product price, or seasonality affect sales performance. In Excel, we can run regression analysis using the data analysis tool pack, which provides coefficient equation that helps us make prediction. Let me show you the data before we performing the regression analysis. First, we need we need to dummy the variable. If we have a categorical variable, here we have a customer type which is existing and new. I have done dummy variable, like existing should be the one here. Existing, all the existing id should be one, and all the new customer ids, it gonna be the zero. For example, if we analyze past sales and marketing spend data, we can build a regression model to predict future sales based on planned marketing budgets. Here we are forecasting, here we are determining the number of visits to the website called repaidbody.com, and their age, satisfaction level to visit, and their customer type. All we have gathered the data and analyzing the regression. This is called multi-regression analysis. Let me show you how I have analyzed. Going to data analytics, selecting the regression, clicking OK, and here giving the Y range. You see the Y range, the total revenue managers. Let me select the label too, so it could be the easy to analyze, to see in the analysis. Here the X range should be from female, and as we have selected the labels, just click on labels, and in the same Excel sheet but different workbook. And I also would like to see the residuals, and clicking OK here, we get the coefficients and all the regression analysis, and here is the residues. We have the multiple coefficients here. Here the customer segmentation is nothing but the process of dividing companies customers based into distinct groups based on shared characteristics such as demographics, buying behavior, interest, or value to the business. Here I have, let me show you the analysis which I have done uh, on airline customers. I have first found out the mean and standard deviation by analyzing all this for each and every important factors of the data. Then I have found some z cost, z flight available, like z values of those five clusters of the important factors. And then I found the differences. You can see the formula here for each and every cell I have done here. So after finding the sum of differences of each cluster, all those five clusters to the standard clusters here, and the minimum, maintaining the minimum distance, and the sum of distance square is 12.35167 for the best. We are analyzing the market basket analysis. Purpose is to identify products that are frequently brought together, helping businesses understand customer purchases patterns and improve cross-selling strategies. It could be a customer going to a hair cutting shop, like he also take the facial. If a customer going to buy a milk, he also could take the biscuits. This cross-selling could also help the bundle offers to the customers and also improve the revenue to the store through this layout. The main purpose of this presentation is to find out what happened, the data, and what will happen using the data, and who are our customers, and what products connect to the market basket analysis and sentiment analysis. What do customers feel? Together, these techniques empower data driven marketing strategies. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and comment for my favorite techniques. Thank you, everyone.